Hello, my name is Farida Astuti, NIM 19101142200027, Class A2, Study Program Anthropology, Sociology Education. Here I will explain about the coronavirus from the view of sociology and anthropology. Next, I will discuss first a general description of the coronavirus. Second, the cause of coronavirus infection. Third, the symptoms that arise when infection with the coronavirus. Fourth, prevention of coronavirus infection. The perspective of sociology and anthropology. 1. General description of the coronavirus. Coronavirus is a large family of viruses that cause mild to moderate respiratory infection, such as flu. COVID-19, also known as coronavirus novel, caused pneumonia outbreak in Wuhan City, China in December 2019. And spread to other countries from January 2020. Indonesia itself announced the COVID-19 case from March 2020. Corona name is taken from the Latin meaning the crown, because the coronavirus the prominent yellow crowns. 2. Causes of coronavirus infection. The first, because it is exposed, the syllabus specialists cannot be coughing and sneezing. Second, touch the hand or face of an infected person. Third, touch the eyes, nose, mouth of healing items that are affected by saliva sprinkling with coronavirus. 3. Symptoms that arise when infected with the coronavirus. First, runny nose. Second, headache. Third, cough. Fourth, sore throat. 5. Fever. 6. Shortness of breath. And the last thing is feeling unwell. 4. Prevention of coronavirus infection. 1. From a sociological point of view, if we'll talk about sociology, we are talking about society. Lots of efforts to prevent coronavirus infection through a sociological perspective. One of them is by doing social distancing. Quite from various sources, social distancing is one of the health practices that aims to prevent the sick in making contact in a distance with a healthy person to reduce the chance of transmission. Quoting from the official website of the U.S. Center for Disease Control and Prevention, or CDC, social distancing is to stay away from association, avoid mass gatherings, and maintain distance between people. Social distancing can be divided into two, namely 1. Social distancing of individual. This can be practical by not going to crowded places such as shopping center, food court, or events that are attended by many people, public space, place of tourists, and so on, which cause crowd or gatherings. Social distancing can be practical by keeping a minimum distance of 2 meters from other people. With this distance, a person is not recommended to do a handshake or cuddle when meeting someone else. 2. Social distancing is regulated directly by the government. This can be practical by not major event and closing public space. 2. From an anthropological point of view, when we talk about anthropology, we talk about the habits or culture of a society. Many of our cultural habits can prevent the spread of the coronavirus, one of which is as often as possible to wash hands. This habit must always be done so that the condition of our hands are always clean and there are no bacteria or virus attached to the hand.